Hey guys, today I'll be showing you this. I have ADHD skill. It's a very powerful skill. The repo has 22.9k likes or stars, and I have to tell you guys I'm gonna use this a lot. So what it basically does is before the AI model or coding agent will output this block of text, it will tell you what to do. It has information in it, but most of it you don't really need. After using the skill, it will just give you what you need. No need to read all of this. Just, hey, step by step, do this, do this, do this, and you're off. And the installation for this is actually very simple. You have two ways. Either you give this to your coding agent and it will install it immediately, or if you want, you can go to your PowerShell and just do this command: npx skills I have ADHD, and the installation is simple. It will just do this to ask you a couple of questions. Once you're done, go to your OpenCode or Claude or Codex. The good thing is it works on all of them, and I have one set up, and all you do is just /skills and you will find it here. I have ADHD skill. Now, to test it out, I have this scratch repo that I was going to use for this video. So I want to know what it does, what it is. So let's ask it, and just like that, in a couple of seconds, it gave me the response. So, as the name implies, it's AI watermark remover. But see how it explained to me. Like I told you, explain how to run. Look at the magic of this skill. Just, it tells me what it does, how it works, and how to run. That's it. No complications, no nothing. So this skill, if you're working on a huge project and you're tired of all the text and all of the jargon and everything, this is for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed and found this helpful, and see you next time. Goodbye.